Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Android Studio on your device. Go to any website, sorry, web browser and click Android Studio there and you will see developers.android.com. So click on download and you will be going to the page where you can download the Android Studio. Go down if you want to see the different options for your download. So the go down and you will be seeing new features. It will see the new features, core features and recently added features what is happened longer. So now we come to the platform and Android Studio project download. So here you have a different options. I will be choosing Windows as I was using Windows. So let's accept the terms and conditions. Now download the Android Studio. And let me check if it is recording or not. So it's recording and then let's go to downloads. It's downloaded. Let's open it. Click on it. So you will see a pop-up here. Give it a second, pull this on. Here it is. Click on next, next. And if you want to change the path, you can change it here. Next, if not next, and then install. So while it is installing, on this channel, I focus on native Android development using Kotlin. If you have seen my previous videos like Activity Lifecycle or Broadcast Receivers, you already know I go deep into the concepts, not just service level tutorials. And coming next, I will be covering the other two like services and content providers. Once the core fundamentals are done, we are going to the Jetpack Compose and all. So and also I will be covering interview level concepts, and also I will be posting MCQs like we will take some challenges so that will be useful for your DSA. So if you're serious about Android development and you might want to stick around, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once this installation is done, you can click on next and then finish. However, let's see. So it's done. Next and start the Android Studio. You will see options like new project are open if you are new there. But I already have the project, so it will open my project. As I said, I was working on activity demo for the next video services, so it will be showing you the activity demo here. So that's it for today, guys. And this is how you install an Android Studio. But if you want to learn what Android Studio is, I have already made a video on Android Studio 2. So that video will be shown here. Click on that and it will make your understanding very easy about Android Studio. So when you open Android Studio, you won't feel like you have lost. It will make things very much easier for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.